I'm showing you how to get free Sigma v4 for Minecraft 1.8. Now to download Sigma Client, you want to head over to this GitHub page, which is going to be linked down in the description below, and together actually with my Discord server, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you could join that. Anyways, under assets over here, you want to click on sigma.zip, just like so, and the download is going to start automatically. So now as you can see, I have Sigma in my downloads, and I can press on Windows and R at the same time, and then in the box that pops up, I want to type in app data, just like so. Then I can hit on enter or click OK. That's going to bring me over here. I want to go into roaming.minecraft. Then you might need to scroll down a little until you find versions. Then under versions, you want to right click and create a new folder, and you're just going to call that Sigma. Don't put any spaces in it or anything like that. Preferably no capital letters either, just Sigma. Anyways, we have that right over here. Now in our downloads, I can open up the sigma.zip, go into the folder that's called Sigma, and then drag both of these files right into there. Great. Now that I've done that, you can actually delete the sigma.zip file that's in your downloads if you wish to do so. Anyways, now we can simply start up the Minecraft launcher. So here inside of the Minecraft launcher, you want to go over to installations, new installation, and we want to create the Sigma installation. I'm just going to call this Sigma, and then under version over here, you want to search for Sigma, and you'll find it right over there. Now, that's great. I can click on create over here, and then to play, I can select the Sigma installation I just made. There we are, and I can of course click on play after understanding the risks of playing modded Minecraft. So here we have it, Minecraft 1.8 with Sigma. As you can see, the home screen is completely custom. Anyways, I'm just going to head into single player right here, and I'll show you how to use this client. So here with Sigma Client inside of Minecraft, I'm going to briefly show you how to use this. As you can see, you'll already notice we have some custom textures and we have some stuff on our screen. Anyways, pressing right shift over here is actually going to open up what is called the Click GUI. You can see it right over here. Anyways, we have a bunch of different sections that I can choose from, and they will all contain utilities. As you can see, here I have a bunch of combat utilities, player-based utilities, movement-based utilities right over here. You get the idea. Anyways, in these settings areas, these are basically the utilities. As I said, you can click just like that, and that's going to turn it on. And you can click once again just like so, and that is actually going to turn it off. As you can see, this one currently doesn't have a keybind. If it does, that'll show up here. And if we want a little customization menu specific to this utility, we can click on this settings cog over here. And as you can see, we now have an entire customization menu for, in this case, the aim assist. Anyways, here in the bottom over here, you'll also find a colors menu where you can tweak the colors of the things that this client has, like the ESP. Anyways, closing out of this, as you can see, we have something called a tab GUI on our screen over here. This is basically the Click GUI that we can access there, except that we can navigate it without entering anything, and you can do that with the arrow keys, which is what I'm doing right now. Now, opening back up the Click GUI, under visuals over here, you can actually turn that off if you wish to do so. Now that'll no longer show up on your screen. And whilst we're here, let's also take a look at the HUD, which is basically your heads-up display. In normal Minecraft, this is your hotbar, maybe your health and your hunger as well. Anyways, Sigma adds a bunch of HUD customization. As you can see, there's a bunch of things that will also show up on your screen, like keystrokes if you want them to, and a bunch of stuff like that. Anyways, you can customize these over here. Now that isn't actually all, because Sigma Client also has commands. Now similar to how you would in Minecraft type /give with the slash as a prefix, instead of the slash for Sigma you would use the dot. In this case I can type in .help just like so, and that's going to give me a list of all of the commands that this client has. As you can see, they're all numbered and they contain a description with what they do as well. Let's say I still don't know how to use them. I'll take the X-ray command as an example. I can type in .xray just like this, and because I didn't type anything behind that, as you can see, it's going to tell me the usage right over here, which is of course great. Anyways, basically that should be it for most of Sigma v4. If you have any questions or stuff like that, then do of course feel free to leave those down in the comments below. Anyways, for right now, thank you ever so much for watching, and I do hope to see you again in the next one. Bye bye. Also, I just realized I almost forgot to mention the most important feature, which is obviously the music player that will show up on your pause menu. As you can see, you can use that right here.